Good. Alright guys, welcome to my little unboxing. Yeah, so I got a few stuff, as you can see, which I'm excited for. Alright, so we're gonna start with the first one. The first one is this little thing. Basically, this is a show you. It's a memory card pouch thing. What it does, it holds memory cards in it. Oh, that's a bit dark. Yep, that's great. That's great, Shaq. Right, so it holds memory card, SD cards, micro SD cards, adapters, this thingy for my iPhone, and it holds safe cards as well, but I don't have any safe cards on me here. As you guys know, I'm not at home. But yeah, it's waterproof. It can get wet, it can get thrown around, and yeah, it comes with this thing. Alright, so that's the first. I should probably put this down in slow-mo, like by itself. Hold on, let me just set up something nice. Alright guys, so here's the unboxing. The moment of truth. What's this? The moment of truth is the Mavic Air. Yo, this looks sexy. Yeah, let me get slow-mo? Okay. My toes are freezing. I just can't still try any longer. I have to go back inside. So. I almost forgot the camera. Yo, it's freezing out here. Crazy in these LA streets, yo. Alright, I'm back inside.